Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, LiveLoveCrochet. So today I have a very different video for you. So this video today is going to be my 3 best makes of 2022. So we're going into the new year, 2023. It is going to be almost a year since I started my YouTube channel. So I want to share with you today the top 3 of my favourite makes that I made last year. So coming in at number 3 is going to be this cardigan that I made. So I'm not sure when I made this. I think I made it in August, I'm not too sure, but I really like this cardigan. So there is a tutorial on my channel on how to make this. I think part 1 was quite popular, part 2 not so popular. So it is really nice. As you can see, it's really just one way that you can have it. So there's a right side and a wrong side, because that it doesn't really look right. And I also made a mistake in that video, if anybody did notice. So I was supposed to go 2 rows in each colour, but I went 3 rows in one of the arms. I didn't realise until I had finished cut off. So then I had to do exactly the same on the other side. I was hoping no one would notice, but it's time to tell my secret. What I also like about this cardigan as well are the colours, obviously. The buttons, they are just really nice. I made a bigger one of these as well. Let me just grab that one. So here is the other one. So this one has been worn and it has been washed. I think it's held its shape quite well, considering. On this one, I think I did the sleeves a bit too wide. On this one, they're a little bit more pulled in. So if I could change anything about this cardigan, it would be to make the sleeves a little bit more pulled in, because that is just too big for a little girl's sleeve. So that is what I don't like about this particular cardigan. Also, I would probably change the buttons. I don't really have a lot of buttons, I'll be honest. So I just have to do with what I've got, really. So that is number 3. We'll move on to number 2 right now. So coming in at number 2 is my puff stitch. I absolutely love this stitch. It's so cute. I think this is a not 3-month-old, but I love the stitch, and I think this one was my biggest accomplishment, because I had just started my YouTube channel, I think, and I hadn't actually been crocheting for very long. And after I finished this one, I was like, oh, okay, maybe I'm not so bad at crochet after all. But I was impressed that I managed to actually get the yoke to be puff stitch as well, which was really nice. And as you can see, you can have it either way. I quite like this side, but that side's pretty as well. And I love the collar, how it's puff stitch as well. Buttons, I think, match the colour of my yarn. I think I did this in a big size for my video. I'm not sure if I have that to hand. I will have a quick look. Okay, so I did find it. So this is the one that I did for the tutorial. I love the yarn. I actually still have this yarn. I haven't made anything else with it. The sleeves I really like on this one. I think sleeves on a cardigan to me just make the whole cardigan. The sleeves and the collar, I think, make the whole cardigan. So I like to really jazz up my sleeves sometimes. So yeah, this is my second, so it's not my favourite, but it is one of my favourite makes. And also I made the trousers to go with it, which are very, very cute. So I did put a video up about this, do I crochet or not? And I had a few comments, but I didn't have enough comments to motivate me into making a video, because I didn't think many people would watch it, judging by the comments that I got. So I didn't make a video of this, which was a shame really, because they are super nice. They're nice and thick as well. I've got a tail there. So you can actually wear these either way around as well. They're actually quite easy to make actually. We've got ribbon around the top, right there. Nice and soft as well. And I think these two would actually match if... maybe they clash a little actually. But these two probably do match, if you can see that. That would actually look quite nice as a little suit for a baby. So that is number 2. And now I will show you my favourite make of 2022, and it is the Alpine Stitch cardigan. So this was, I would say, one of my popular videos. I think it was part 3, I got 3.3k views, which actually means the world to me. Like, just having that amount of views, it actually made me feel really, really good. So this was actually quite simple to make. As you can see, the yoke is in double crochet, and then when you complete the yoke, that's when we move on to the Alpine Stitch, and it just came out so nice. Love the arms on it, and we did it a little bit longer so we can turn the sleeves over, which are nice. My buttons match my cardigan. I'm not too keen on these buttons, they're so small and fiddly to sew in, so I wasn't keen on those. I like the bigger buttons, not too big, medium I'd say. I made a pocket, which was, I think, the first time I made a pocket by myself with my own pattern. So this is number 1 of my top makes in 2022. I also did a little hood. I think I could have done it a bit nicer around the edge of the hood, because you have all this detail and then you come to the hood and then there's not really much there, but I didn't really know what I could do around the edge of the hood to make it look better, so I just went with single crochets around the edge. So they are my top 3 favourite cardigans for 2022. I would love to hear your New Year's resolutions. If you want to share them, you can comment down below. I think my New Year resolution in crochet wise would be to make better content for my YouTube channel, also to make better patterns, more detailed things that my viewers are going to watch, they're going to make, they're going to be excited to make. So I have to have a good think about that. It would also help if my viewers, my subscribers, if you had any ideas, to comment down below of what you want to see personally, whether it be tutorials or facts about crochet, facts about knitting, shopping hauls, things like that. It's what you want to see is what I'm interested in. So if you want to, you can comment down below, or if you want, you can email me at crochetwithme1@hotmail.com. So that is going to be it for this video. So I hope you're having a good start to the year, and I will see you very soon. I have a video coming up. I'm just filming it now, and I think maybe within a week I should have it all ready and ready to put up onto my channel. So I will notify you when that is coming. So I will see everybody in my next video. Bye.